The 2015 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power seat, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.